Hello and welcome back to Educator.com. My name is Elliot and this is Introduction to Songwriting. So let's get right to today's lessons. We've been talking a lot about developing your lyrics and your melodies, and today we're going to talk about something called personification, which means giving something that is not living human traits and qualities, like something having emotions or desires or actions. And let's look at a few examples of that. The first one is a song that we looked at its lyric a few lessons ago, Christina Perri, Jar of Hearts. And here's the lyric: "You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul." Ouch! So the idea that you have ice inside your soul is a wonderful example of personification. We don't know, we could get into a discussion about this, but if a soul has ice or not. So to describe it as having ice is a strong lyric and a really nice example of this. So let's look at our second example. This is Adele, a song that I'm sure most of you know, Rolling in the Deep. And the lyric is, "The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all." The scars of your love. To give the idea that love is actually going to scar someone physically is a wonderful example of something like love taking on a human trait like being able to scar. And as you know, if you've heard the song, it's just a powerful description of, as it says here, wishing that you had it all with someone and realizing that you don't. So let's go on to the next example. From the same song, also Adele, Rolling in the Deep. "You had my heart inside your hand and you played it to the beat." You can't technically hold someone's heart inside your hand, because if you could, they wouldn't be living. And if you're writing a song about that, that's a whole nother song. But this is another excellent example of personification. And so we're going to talk about Katy Perry's song, Firework. "Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under, screams, but no one seems to hear a thing?" Whoa! So if you could be buried 6 feet under the ground and be screaming and have no one hear you, that's an amazing way to say that you're at a point in your life where there's no one around you that really is listening to what you have to say. And from the same song, "Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst." A bit more of a positive example, to give someone the idea that they're actually a firework and letting their colors just shine and burst is a way of saying, I want you to celebrate all the amazing things that make you who you are. So this is the opposite, giving a human the quality of something non-human. What was awesome here is you compared the human being to a firework. So kind of a twist on the same idea, but certainly giving one person or thing qualities that it doesn't necessarily normally have. And that's what makes these lyric examples really strong.